Okay, let's start with Africa, because in many ways, this is where the human story begins. Africa isn't just big on the map, it's huge in importance. Over 1.4 billion people live here, and what's fascinating is that it has the youngest population on Earth, meaning millions of children and young adults who will shape the future. Africa is made up of 54 countries, each with its own languages and cultures. In fact, more languages are spoken here than anywhere else in the world. When people talk about Africa, they often focus only on problems, but that's a tiny part of the picture. Africa supplies the world with critical resources like gold, oil, and rare minerals used in phones and electric cars. Its music, fashion, and storytelling influence global culture more than most people realize. So when you think of Africa, don't think of a single place. Think of a powerful, diverse continent that the world depends on more than it admits. Now, Antarctica is going to sound strange to you because unlike every other continent, no one actually lives there permanently. It has no cities, no countries, and no native population. Only scientists stay there for short periods, usually a few thousand at most. Almost the entire continent is covered in ice, and it's the coldest place on Earth. But here's why it matters to you, even if you live thousands of miles away. Antarctica holds about 70% of the world's fresh water frozen in ice. If too much of that ice melts, sea levels rise everywhere. Scientists study Antarctica to understand climate change and the future of the planet. So even though it looks empty, Antarctica quietly controls things that affect all of us. Asia. Now let me tell you about Asia. Because if we're talking about people, power, and influence, Asia leads the conversation. More than half of the world's population, over 4.6 billion people, live here. That means if you randomly meet someone on Earth, there's a very high chance they're Asian. Asia is where many of the world's oldest civilizations began, and it's also where major religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, and Islam originated. Economically, Asia is a global engine. Countries like China, India, and Japan produce goods, technology, and services used worldwide. Asia also has extreme geography, the highest mountain, Mount Everest, and some of the largest rivers. So Asia isn't just a continent, it's the backbone of global population, history, and trade. Europe might surprise you because it's actually small compared to other continents, yet its influence is everywhere. About 750 million people live in Europe, spread across many closely packed countries. What makes Europe powerful isn't size, it's history. European countries once controlled large parts of the world through colonization, which is why many people today speak European languages and follow European-style governments. Concepts like modern democracy, scientific thinking, and international law were shaped here. Even today, Europe remains influential through education, finance, diplomacy, and global institutions. So while Europe isn't the biggest, its fingerprints are all over the modern world. North America. Now let's talk about North America. Around 600 million people live here, mainly in countries like the United States, Canada, and Mexico. North America has enormous global influence, especially through the United States, which has one of the world's strongest economies and militaries. This is the continent that exports movies, music, technology, and trends that people around the world consume daily. When you watch a Hollywood film, use a social media platform, or follow global business news, North America is often behind it. It's also a land of extremes, frozen Arctic regions in the north and hot deserts in the south, which makes it geographically diverse as well as powerful. South America. South America feels different, and that's part of its identity. About 430 million people live here, and many of them share languages and cultural roots. One of the most important things about South America is the Amazon rainforest, which plays a huge role in regulating Earth's climate and producing oxygen. This continent feeds the world too, exporting coffee, fruits, and agricultural products globally. Culturally, South America influences the world through music, dance, and sports, especially football. While it may not dominate global politics, it quietly supports the planet's environmental balance in ways most people don't see. Australia and Oceania, finally, there's Australia, often grouped with nearby islands as Oceania. It's the smallest continent with a population of around 45 million, but don't let that fool you. Australia is economically developed, politically stable, and plays an important role in the Asia-Pacific region. This continent is famous for wildlife found nowhere else on Earth, like kangaroos and koalas. It also highlights a major global issue, climate change, because many nearby island nations are already facing rising sea levels. Australia and Oceania remind us that even small continents can have a big voice in global conversations.